I was sent this hot glue gun in exchange for this video, so let's go ahead and open this up and see what it looks like. So here we have the instruction manual. It also comes with 10 sticks of glue. We have the charging cable, and this is the little port that you stick the glue gun in. How cute is that? It's kind of like a peachy shade and then orange. So I have had glue guns before and never one that looks as solid and professional as this one. So really excited to try this one out. So this has 15-second fast heating, built-in motor drive, smooth and even glue flow. So no need to press repeatedly. I love the fact that this is wireless. The one I currently have has a big old cord you have to plug in, so this really makes crafting easier. You can get up on a ladder or something like that if you want to glue things. This just makes it so much more convenient. So this has a 4000 mAh lithium battery and 60-minute continuous working time, Type-C universal charging cord, and 440-foot glue output. So let's go ahead and try this out. So to turn this on, I pressed the on and off button right here, and it is now flashing red. So it is now green, which means it's good to go. So let's push this trigger here, and you can see it starts to absorb the glue here at the other end. That is so awesome. So you can see it's going inside of the machine. Okay, so I'm gonna put a little dab of glue here. It comes out perfectly, and I have a button that I want to attach. Let's put that in place. So let's do this a few more times. So yeah, this is going to make crafting so much easier. I love this thing already. And let's go ahead and make a continuous line with this. So you can see you can make a nice smooth line. Super easy to do that. So just press and hold. And yeah, it makes a nice continuous line. You can see how even it is if I'm just dragging it along. Perfect amount, and yeah, very smooth, very even, depending on how you apply your own pressure to it. Wow, what an awesome glue gun. Definitely modern technology where that is concerned. Definitely excited to have this in my crafting arsenal.